Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is DL. For those who don't know, I don't know because you should know. Yeah, and for those that are returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love. So as you can see by the title of the video, I will be starting a new vlog. Nothing in particular. I think it's just to spend a few days with me. So right now, my mom sent me to the bank, so I'm gonna be going there right now. Just quick in and out, nothing too deep. I'll probably also go to the shop and get a few snacks because I have work later today. I think we should address the elephant in the back. When I return, I will be unboxing this package that I got yesterday. I'm quite excited, but I won't unbox it as in fully into detail and show what's inside, because I will make a separate video of the actual product itself, but I will show you guys what it is because everybody been asking. So yeah, let me head to the bank and I will see you guys later. I'm sweating. Hi guys, so as I said, I was going to unbox this package that I got. I'm quite excited. Okay, so it's here from Unice. I don't know, people say Unice, others say Eunice. Unice hair. Quite excited. At the back is just information on how to comb the wig and how to wash the wig and the right way to measure wigs. I don't know, but I'm pretty excited. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay guys, now I'm gonna have to wait for my separate video to see what is actually inside the hair, but I'm quite excited. Also, I bought some snacks for work later today, which is not that deep. I don't know if you guys want to know. I don't think it's that deep. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna relax, take a chill pill, and anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna relax and rest my bones for work later, night shift. So yeah. It's a mess. Hi guys, so today is Saturday morning. I just got back from work. It is now just a little 8:05. It's 8:05, and yeah, I'm just gonna shower and then sleep and then do this again tomorrow. But yeah, I don't know why, I just thought I should check in because it is a vlog, so why not? Yeah, hope y'all have a good day while I sleep. Hi guys, welcome to another day. I think today's the third day since my last video. I had work and stuff, so but yeah, I just thought I should show you guys this package. I don't think it's that deep, but I just thought I should show you guys. Anyway, so I bought the multi-fiber apple flavor. Then I got instant herbal beverage with tea extract. Caffeine. Then lastly, I got the herbal aloe concentrate drink. So when I come to you guys, anyway, I've got so much work to do. I have content to create for a brand, and then what? I have somewhere to be, but I'm so lazy. I don't know, but yeah, I'll check you guys later. I've got another delivery that I'm waiting for, and this one is a big one. I'm so excited for it, guys. Like, I'm very excited. I can't wait to share it with you guys. But yeah, hi guys, so I just finished recording a video. I am so tired. I'm so sleepy. Like, I was falling asleep while watching it, like playing it back. I'm so tired, guys. I don't know, like these days I sleep so much. Like, I could sleep the whole day, maybe wake up at like 6 and then do whatever, and then sleep again at like 8, gone, and maybe wake up at 12, maybe watch a video on YouTube or 2, gone again. Like, that is my life, guys. Anyway, I'm so hungry. It's around past 4 and I haven't eaten. I'm so hungry. At the same time, I don't even know what to eat. I was craving chips, but then I was like, you can't be chipsy and have a life. You need to choose one. So I don't know. I think I'll make boiled eggs and apple, and I don't know what, or have oats, or have supper. But if I have supper now, I'm gonna get hungry later, and then what? Repercussion. So I don't know. At the same time, I need to clean up and I need to wash my face. Ooh, guys, no. Send help. Anyway, I will check on you guys later. There's not much else for me to do today, honestly. It's just to rest, I guess. The rest perfect. Rest. Yeah, I think after eating I'll just take a nap, and I'll check you guys after the nap. Baby, say you there for me. Hi guys, it is day last saw you guys in Thursday. Today's 3 days. It is now day 3. We are we're not late, but we are traveling to Letlabile in Brits for a family like reunion type of thing. So I just thought I should check in. I don't think I'm gonna vlog like there, but I think going there I will vlog. I'm so tired. I'm from work this morning. Like I knocked off this morning, and I only rested like 2 hours. So let me go.
The next day.
Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Actually, welcome to another day. Today is Sunday. Yeah, today's Sunday. And yesterday I was so tired. I was finished, and I wanted to vlog like when I got home, but I was out of it. I didn't even eat because I wanted to eat before I sleep. I didn't even eat, but at least I got to shower, and I was like, at least my body was refreshed so I can sleep. I was out of it. So today is another day. I have work later today, but now I'm just gonna have somewhere to. I have to be somewhere in a bit. So I just thought I should do this unboxing because I can't wait. And I think people are just, yeah. So I'm going to be unboxing this with y'all. I got this package. When did it come? I went to work on Thursday. Night. I think Friday morning, that's when it arrived. So, like, I couldn't wait. So, here we are. People have been asking, what is it? Yay, watch my channel and you know, Sam. What do you mean? Anyway, it's so much fun. I had so much fun yesterday in Northwest. It was amazing. Time with family is always great. It's always great and it's always needed. So I had such an amazing time seeing cousins, others that kind of like just met that day. So I was very happy. Box within a box. I cannot wait. I cannot. I like singing. I don't know why. Please. So guys, I can't breathe. This is what's inside. Churros. Okay, because of the fact that I am going to be making a separate video for that, you will just have to watch that video. But yeah, I'm very happy with my purchase. I guess you'll have to wait for that video, but I'm sure by the time this one is up, that one will be up, so don't worry. Anyway, I think I have to go now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and then I will see you guys later. I think I'm going to work tonight, so I don't know. But yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog. It was so long, guys. If you guys don't know when this vlog started, I think it was around 20th. Was it 16th? No, it was 20th. Around the 20th of November. Today is the 5th of December. Anyway, I just wanted to end this vlog here. There's not much happening today, excuse me. I will be going to my cousin's place. It's her birthday today, so she has a little braai. I won't vlog that. I will try to get like snippets, but it will be on my phone because I'm leaving the camera behind. Yeah, I'll just try to get like snippets of, I don't know, things. Yeah, but other than that, I will see y'all on Vlogmas. So I'm thinking I start a Vlogmas, but not necessarily like from the 1st until the 25th, because it's already the 5th, so it's late for that. So I think I will just vlog on days where I have things to do, because some days I'm just at home, others I'm at work. So I think that's how I will have my twist on Vlogmas. And I just remembered that you only supposed to vlog one day, right? Or not? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I will see you all on Vlogmas. I was thinking I also do a what do you call it, an intro for Vlogmas, but is that not a lot of work? My brother loves noise. Anyway, so let me go. I'm waiting to be fetched so that I can go to my cousin's thing. So I will see you all then.